this. Hello students, so here we are up to bestimmt article. We had seen the video regarding bestimmt article nominative, accusative and also related to dative concept. Dative concept, yeah. Now in the similar manner with the same examples, we are going to try for unbestimmt article. First we saw bestimmt article. Bestimmt article is nothing but the. Now we will see unbestimmt article. Same columns, same rows, only the heading is different. That is unbestimmt article. Unbestimmt means indefinite, and in English these articles can be called as A for apple. Like how we say I bought a car, I am washing a vehicle. So how we say the word yeah, A for apple. This is not the, this is A for apple, yeah. So these are called indefinite articles. So whenever you all want to use indefinite articles, you can use this chart. Please memorize this chart and keep. In nominative column, ein, einer, ein. There are no plural forms of articles of unbestimmt. For example, I'll give you one example. If I write one sentence for you like I am washing a vehicles. Can I use a with the noun which is in plural form? Can I do that? No, right? I cannot use unbestimmt article with plural nouns. So there are no plural articles in unbestimmt article. So whenever any noun comes in the plural form and y'all are supposed to write over their unbestimmt article, just put a cross or just put one small hyphen. Yeah, you can just keep it blank or put a dash. Now using this article, let's do the pronunciation first. Ein, einer, ein, einen, einer, ein, einem, M for mango, yeah, einer, einem. If you observe carefully the previous bestimmt article chart, they are also ending with the same alphabets. Yeah. Now what you all are going to do is, on your new page, copy this unbestimmt article chart as it is in your classwork notebook, and then write down the examples over here, one at a time. So nominative, so here all the nouns are doing some action. Hund spielt, Frau kauft, Mädchen singt, Mutter hört, Studenten spielen. All these nouns, whether it is a living person, non-living person or an animal, they are doing some action. So this nominative concept is doer, and here you are going to write the article, but this time unbestimmt article. So in nominative column, unbestimmt article is ein, einer, ein. Why I am saying these are nominative nouns? Because in this particular sentence, these nouns are doing action. Whenever these nouns whose article you all are supposed to write, if they are doing actions, write the article from the nominative column if you want to write unbestimmt article. Hund is male, so here what article should come? Frau is female, so what article should come? Mädchen means girl, but it's in neutral case. So what the article should come? Mutter is female. Studenten means students. These are in plural form. So what will you do in unbestimmt article? So these sentences you all are supposed to solve again but this time with the rule unbestimmt Artikel chart. In the same manner, in this part, nominative, same nouns I have mentioned, but this time, though it is nominative, though these nouns are nominative, but the reason for them to be nominative because we are describing them. Yeah, Hund ist klug, is smart. Frau ist schön, she is beautiful. Frau is beautiful. Mädchen ist klein, girl is small. Mutter ist alt, mother is old. Studenten sind intelligent, students are intelligent. So in this criteria, all these are nominative because we are describing them. So write the article from the nominative column according to their genders. If they are singular, male, female, neutral, male, female, neutral. If they are in plural form, then dash should be mentioned. Yeah. Now, we'll go to the accusative part. Accusative means direct object. So, der Hund spielt Fußball. In this 5 sentences, Fußball, book, we are supposed to write article before them. So, these all nouns are important for us, and in these sentences, if you read carefully, these are the doers and these are the nouns on whom the action is taking place. Football is not playing with dog. Dog is playing football. So action is happening on football. Fußball. So it is accusative. Frau is buying book. She is buying a book. Book is not buying lady. Lady is buying a book. So book is accusative. Mädchen singt Lied. Lied bedeutet song. So girl is singing song. So she is a doer and Lied is accusative. So in this manner, all these nouns, clavier means piano, all these nouns are accusative. So write the article from the accusative column. Yeah. So according to the genders, of course, if those are in singular, mention einen, female einer, neutral ein. And if these nouns are in plural form by chance, so you have to put a cross. Yeah. And in the same manner, dative. In dative means a receiver. So this noun where the blank is mentioned before them, these are dative. Why? Because Frau is giving man a book. So man is receiver. So according to the gender, from the dative column, mention the articles according to their gender. If it is male, einem. If it is female, einer. If it is neutral, einem. And the meaning of these article is a. I got a book. I'm calling a friend. Okay, like that. And the meaning of bestimmt article, which we saw in the previous video, it is the. So the same examples try to solve with bestimmt article as well as unbestimmt article and do send it to me in your classwork notebook, please.